And hello guys, and welcome to the sixth async video of the LOLman channel. Today we'll be playing Tiny Terry's Turbo Trip for the second time because I had a lot of fun at the first time. And we will continue our journey to get this guy here to go to space while pretending to be a cab driver. At the end, yeah, I remember we got that crazy hat. Okay. So, what's that? There's always something in this game. Is it an orange? I have forgotten the controls, but okay, I will find them while we go. Let's see. I want to see the map of the city. And there is a objective that says to go to Terry's apartment, which is right here. So I think we'll try to go there. So we'll do my favorite thing in this game, driving, and run over like everyone we see in our way. But okay. Let's go. Even though the directions and the roads in this game isn't its strong suit for some reason. Okay, this must be easy. Sorry. And I'm going the wrong way, aren't I? No, I'm going in the wrong way. But at least I know where to go. We have the boost from the first episode where we upgraded the car. Not that I was able to control it before the boost, but okay. And now I think we're here. This is where we live. Let's go. I hope we have a partner with a view, not something in the last floor. I have forgotten the way they talk in this game. Let's go. There's just a random bucket in our floor. Are we the only? Is there only one apartment in each floor? I have to say, Terry lives in a better house than me. What does he do for a living? He doesn't work. He pretends to be a cab driver, but he doesn't get paid. What's happening? Here's a room. How do you have fish? Poor fish. I would dread to have this guy as an owner. Oh, we got an achievement. Feed your fish. Amazing. Is there an achievement for overfeeding the fish? Are we feeding them fries? What the fuck? Yes, this fish will die of cholesterol, but okay. Let's see. We have a kitchen. Is that a shopping list? Why do we see so many angles? Ah, he lives with his parents. That's why he has such a big house. He's the unemployed son. Yes, yes. I believe Terry didn't want to go and missed that on purpose. Summer school. The city has summer school. And why are we running around in the cab going to space? I believe maybe that's why we want to go to space to avoid summer school. Anything like that. Yeah. Yeah. Why the women in this game has the most ear piercing voices? Oh God. Yes, yeah, exposition. And think one of them might be dyslexic. Would you like Ted to keep trying? Yes, let's give it a try. And I'm putting a lot of faith in you. Tyson, that summer school all by yourself? No, I don't think we're going, but okay. I am quite currently grown to keep an eye on you, and we're occupied. Okay, so so they left us to go to for vacation, and left us to go to summer school. We're not going, obviously. What the fuck? So that guy we befriended was the one was our uncle that our father sent to keep an eye on us. He lied to us. Exposition. I feel betrayed. Such a big house and we don't have seen. Okay, I don't think we're doing anything. Got another achievement though. Okay, this was depressing. Let's leave. So we're a child. Why do we go to summer school? And if we're a child, why are we driving cars? I don't know. He's I believe that he's the guy that is unemployed and lives in his parents' basement. Something like that. Technically though he's not unemployed, but I want to call the guy to ask questions. I don't want to go to summer school. What? Has not talked to our father? Tell me that he was just dyslexic and couldn't read the note. What? Oh, they lied to us so they could go alone. We have terrible fathers. They like some time away from the kids. Okay, if I had Terry as a kid, I would like to, but okay, that's rough. Well, you're being too real. Perfect, acting skills. Okay. Things uncomplicated, nothing personal. More facts of play. What the fuck are we in and yes, I don't know the grand scheme of things or something. About those other fucking. No, I'm intrigued now. What do you mean, Uncle Gronny? Your father? He could never decline a holiday with. She, which is Pepe's dad? His idol. What the fuck? What's happening? Who is Pepeli? He went in a holiday trip with the parents of our friend, I presume Pepeli, who is rich. And now he's having a luxurious holiday while we run around in a cab in the city. What the fuck? Expensive enough for just the two of them. What the? Your father don't pretend to be. I just logged to crash into cars. I didn't believe we would get so emotional. Big vocabulary. Only interesting hanging out with rich people. So secret about the fact that the family lives in Binnenrod. What the fuck? Our father is a fraud. What the fuck? Being rich? He's living his dream. Yes, but we are here back in the city alone. This is getting a bit sad. Okay, that's all. Fuck you, man. He lied to us, and now he's playing friendly. Okay. No. Want to see the map? Let's find something else to do. What is the other objectives? Visit the junk store. Where the fuck is the junk store? Hat store, Bidden and Drug apartment building, City Hall. I don't know. We'll go to those question marks here and we'll see. It was an interesting start to the episode. I didn't expect to learn that our father is a fraud. that pretends to be rich to impress other rich people. Shit like that. I don't think our parents love us very much, but okay. We'll see. Who this guy? What, what? Jake Louder. Jack Louder. What names are that? How much money do you have? Why everybody's asking about our money? What the fuck? Why he has 500 money? Let's mug him. What the hell? Just give me 50 money. Started working with my dad. His dad talks to him at least. Ours doesn't. My dad says stolen car. I can't go to this game. I can't. It's a good logic. Because the new paid for its full price. Amazing. Makes sense. Yes, I wouldn't think that. Still stolen cars with Jack Lowden. We can do that. You know what? That's what we will do in the start of the episode. Sell stolen cars with Jack Lowden. Why can't the dads hang out? Why don't they? But if he sells a lot of stolen cars, he will be rich. Thank Cloud's dad. His dad is working on that. Will be good shot. Can we steal a car and take it to him? Can we hijack a car GTA style? Wait, we can. Okay, if we give it to Stan Louder, will he take it? If we beat it enough for Sonner to go out. Do you want that? You brought a car, yes. We can sell it. Why? We're supposed in the car. Or just he's hiking. It's just still people. Guys, what doesn't. Ah, there is a. Okay, we can steal his car because he's inside it. Okay. Why are they stuck? Why are they stuck? There's nothing blocking the way. I don't know. Let's find something that seems valuable. I think this, but it's locked. Ah, now it's not. Okay. I don't believe that I'm a kid that his parents left him to go to vacation and now I'm smuggling, I'm selling stolen cars. Okay, let's sell the car. Let's see. If one of my neighbors owns that car. What the fuck? Oh. Probably shouldn't sell cars from people that live in the same building as us. Makes sense. So I've got to find an abandoned car somewhere else. Okay, let's do that. Let's find a parking somewhere else. I'm just hitchhiking a random guy's car. Where can I find a parking that it's not in our neighborhood? Okay, I think it would be weird for his dad to sell cars that. Come on, bro. Come on. Now. This car, for example, I don't think it belongs to one of our neighbors. Let's steal it and bring it back to Zanklotter. The most amazing thing is that we're both kids that are selling stolen cars. Okay, this game is just amazing. This game is just amazing. No, where the hell is Jean-Claude? I brought to you fresh car. I want to say no damage, but it has a bit of damage. It's got stolen, yeah. Okay, let's sell it. Don't tell me no one did. Include the commission, we both get 28 money. Okay, so I did all that for 28 money. Okay, we don't know how to make money in this game if we want. We just send stolen cards to Jean-Claude. Okay, that was interesting to say the least. What is that? Is there a fire? A trash bag? No, there's just a guy burning. Hey, are you okay? Why? It looks like your face about to catch fire. Yeah, right. Thanks, but I'm pretty sure I would notice if my face was about to catch fire. What the fuck? Occasion is check up on burning bay. Okay, I'm going to forget it and this is gonna burn completely. Okay. You know what? Where are the bits? Let's dig, maybe we find something interesting. Money. I think I made almost as much money as I made selling car. I don't think that's very clean water, but can we go in the grates in the sewer? Why did I go in the generator? Can I cut power to the city? What the hell? What the fuck? There is a blueprint that I need the fishing net, so we remember that this is here. What? It looks like a coffee machine. No, we're still at the beach. What the hell was that? Okay, let's continue our stroll. Let's go to the beach bar. We're still gathering some turbo junk. Let's check the beach bar. Who is that? Why are we seeing things in slow motion? Do we know this guy? Do we have a past? Well, Terry, we know him. Well back Terry won a lifetime supply of free beet fries. Ah, that's why he was feeding fries to his... The business has been under crash financial pressure ever since. He's driving them to bankruptcy because he's ordering so much fries. He's scared. It's been a pretty slow day. Please don't order too many because beet fries. I will hold back. Okay, she's still sensible. Do you have anything else? I'm tired of beach fries. Let's come up with something new. Oh, amazing. We're going to add something new to the menu. Yeah, 2 menu items instead of 1. So you could make twice the money. And I could get twice the fries if you guys were doing well economically. I'm not making any money now, so that wouldn't change much. Why? He's the only. He's doing something wrong. He's the only big club in the city and he's failing. What's your favorite food? Fries, beach fries. Excluding beach fries. It's unedible. Make sand something. Have you tried it? I have. Just don't know what classifies as edible. Well, did you like it? Not really. Water. In case of just charging for water. Water and bread. Okay, that's stupid. Maybe insects? In China they eat them. You can bring it here. Try this. What about the vegetarian option? Which ones are the vegetarian option? This is going somewhere. What do we put them in buns? Bark bun. I want percentages for that. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, we got something out of that, surprisingly. When we watch the horizon. Okay, amazing. Let's get back on the road. I'll get back on the road and return from there. Okay, we're back. I see the two more question marks here near where we live. Maybe this is some other kid selling junk it with Zach. Tell me this is the junk store. And I found it just by chance. Okay, this guy looks a bit crazy, but okay. Having an open fire in a town where everyone just cries at each other will buy junk. Fuck, we probably produce all kind of junk all day, every day. Of junk stores have a shared inventory. Okay, that's convenient. Do you sell turbo junk? Yes. You can find it all over Frankfurt. So you have every other junk than turbo junk. Okay. Oh, I want that. Okay, this was useful. Okay. Thank you, junk guy. Now we can go do some crimes with the other dude. But first we gotta go to the mayor's office. I think I've got it now. I'm not so sure, but I think I remember from the last episode how to go to the mayor's office. And I'm stuck. Uh, I'll I'll unstuck myself and resume the video back in the mayor's office because as we see I do not know where to go. And we're back in the mayor's office. I just remembered I had that blueprint here. Okay. We got that legal document. Maybe we can. Once I didn't read it get to the shady fish. Maybe we can get this to the dude to find what crimes we must do. Now, where the hell was Fish Guy? Fish Guy was close. Okay, I think I can do it without. Can I? I think I can do it without closing the video. I can do it fast. Can I? I can. Okay, hold on. Because it's been ridiculous navigating the city. That's why he drives so bad, because he's a kid. I don't think someone has ever taught him how to drive. I think, yes, I recognize the alley from the first video. Hey, bro, I found a document, a brother's official document from the mayor's office. I think I stole them. Stealing is viewed as a criminal activity. Did you engage in violence to claim this official document? No, I didn't. Don't think so. There we go. Can you give the documents? Okay, take them. Oh, have found the terrible secret that the construction of Sky Tower was. Okay, so the crazy mayor just built a giant tower to impress the other cities, and the city is now bankrupt. Why is everyone bankrupt? The beach guy, the town itself. Wait, did that go? Is that some? Wow. What the? That's good. Yes, symbolic in my head. We have the cards to destroy the city. We can extort the document. Criminally. Our wallet. Yes, I would like to. More junk. Near Kinder Point in the middle. Wait, what? Wait, what? Can only give me. That's going to be principle. Ah. I love that this game has principles. My friend, thank you for engaging criminal activity with me. Thanks you, my friend, Still Kids. You will be my favorite character from the game. Please take this. It's for your wallet. 5K. I go purchase the paraglider. Okay. For the end of the episode, we're going to dig up the junk. Go to the and go to the. I forgot. Go to our employer to upgrade the taxi and get another turbo stuff. Okay. My favorite part of the game, navigating the city. But I think I've gotten the hang of it. Okay, this was an emotional farewell for a guy that we know for like 10 minutes. He's the most kind criminal I've ever met. Not that I have met a lot of criminals, but is it here or is it from the other side? I've done something and I hit the UI. Surely this isn't going to be a problem in the future. What have I done? Ah, okay. I was scared in a minute that I just. What the hell? It's not here. I think it's in the other side. I'll find the treasure and we'll resume back. We're back. I hope it's here. And that guy didn't scam us, but no. This guy would never scam us here. The best guy we've ever met. Okay, so we keep that. And okay, my game crashed again. Every time I hit that thing, my computer just goes on a strike. Okay, it's time for us to go and visit with the Stola car. Good. I'm about to go get the arms to pay a visit to our friend. What is this a garden? Don't have to go. Here. I think to go to the garage you have to. What is the garage? There. Why is it certificate? No. I think the garage here. What? Why has he shot? Who is Ricky? Do you have a fight? Hello, Ricky. Very good. Why is he so? Why is he so angry? Doesn't familiar. You're not the only one. He thinks we copy him. That's my thing. I am that guy. No, you're not. No, you're not. I am. Take it as a compliment. Fuck you, bro. Take. It's waiting him. Stealing is not a compliment. I don't know if you'll understand the captain. No, I don't. So we're more famous at that. Just happened to me in the time. I love Terry. I love him. No, I don't want to race you right now. I want to go to. No, we're going. What? He has a Cadillac and I have the fucking taxi. Can't even steer this thing and the guy wants to. We lost. What the fuck? I wasn't ready. What the hell? Okay, that was a bit embarrassing because we lost. No, no, I lost and I went the wrong way. See you back when I have the upgrade. Okay, let's go and get that upgrade to beat Ricky the next time we battle. Bro, 230. How much does he want? Wonderful. Ah, he wants 150. He wants 150 for each, or he wants 50 more for everyone. So does he want 150 now? Okay. With our newfound boost, now if we find Ricky somewhere, we destroy him. No, we won't, but okay. Okay. Let's test our newfound boost. Okay, guys, I think this will be the end of the episode with our newfound boost, but I don't think we can get to space yet. So we learned some things about Tate's family, and we did some criminal activities, both selling cars and stealing the documents. And we'll continue this guys' adventures in the next episode. Goodbye.
LOL